Welcome to Excel Weekly Tips and Tricks. This week, we are taking a look at how to use structured query language within Excel. So we will use SQL to query data and then import it directly into Excel. So to do this, we will connect Excel to an Access database. So this is the database that we will connect to, and it's the original sales where we have one table, the sales table, and within this table we have the year, the channel, and then the revenue. Let me delete this year off. Okay, so now we go back to Excel and then connect Excel to this Access and then query this data using the structured query language. So to do this, we use the PowerPivot. So if you are using Excel 2013, PowerPivot is an add-in that you have to activate. If you are using 2016, it's already available under the Data tab. So I will go to the Power Query and then go to Manage. So here we have this option here, Get External Data. So we are connecting it to a database and it's from Access. So here we can specify the database name, but I will use the Browse option. And then when you come to our document, we have the original sales database that I showed you. So I will select it and then open it. And I will click Next. So here I have two options, either to select a list of tables and view them or write a query. So I want to use a query to specify the data I want to import. So here I can enter my query language here to specify or to query my data. So first I want to take a look at the entire structure of the table. So I will use the select command, select everything from sales and then validate it. So now my language is valid. I'll go to design and run this. So I'll run it and you see the entire data within the database that I showed you, the year, the channel, and then the revenue. If I want to take the query further, maybe I want to see only 2015 data, I can go back to my design. I can go back to the query language and then enter where and use the where to specify the year that I want. So where year equals 2015, then go to design and then run this. So now you see that the data has been queried and now we can see only 2015 data. So if I want, I'm okay with the query, I click OK and then finish. So it tells me that 4 rows has been transferred. So I can close this. So now when I come back, you see that the data has been imported into Excel. So from this, if I want to analyze it using pivot table or pivot, I can quickly go there and then use it to analyze my data. So this is a short video on how to use structured query language within Excel. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.